What if I told you that your grandmother's garden was more powerful than your medicine cabinet? Doctors won't say it, pharmaceutical companies hate it, but for over 5,000 years, ancient healers knew the truth. These 10 green plants, they don't just heal, they transform, and you can find most of them at your local grocery store right now. Stay with me, because number 7, it literally rewires your brain. Green healers, 10 herbs that heal your body, mind, and soul. Here's the reality nobody talks about at the dinner table. Americans spend over $4.5 trillion on healthcare every year. Trillion with a T. Yet chronic stress, gut issues, brain fog, and anxiety are at an all-time high. What if the solution isn't in a lab, but in the ground beneath our feet? Ayurveda has been using green herbs for over 5,000 years. And modern science, it's finally catching up. Let's go. Herb number 1 will shock you with how simple it is. Herb number 10, oregano. You've been putting this on your pizza without knowing it was medicine. Oregano oil has compounds, carvacrol and thymol, that can destroy harmful bacteria as effectively as antibiotics. In Ayurveda, it's a warming fire herb. It ignites your digestive fire called Agni. Oregano brings it back. Add it fresh to your meals, or get oregano oil drops. Trust me, this tiny herb punches above its weight. Herb number 9, parsley. Stop throwing this away. Every time you toss this off your plate, you're throwing away a superfood. Parsley is a kidney-cleansing, bone-strengthening detox bomb. It's loaded with vitamin K, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants. In Ayurveda, it's a natural diuretic. It flushes toxins, called ama, from your system. Parsley is an ama terminator. Herb number 8, wheatgrass. If chlorophyll is nature's detoxifier, then wheatgrass is nature's nuclear option. 1 single ounce of wheatgrass juice contains the nutritional equivalent of, are you ready? 2 pounds of leafy green vegetables. In Ayurveda, it's sattvic, the purest nourishment. It oxygenates your blood. It literally makes your body more alive. Herb number 7, Brahmi. I told you this would blow your mind. Named after Brahma, the Hindu god of creation. This herb creates new brain cells. Bacopa has been shown to improve memory, reduce anxiety, and slow cognitive decline. In Ayurveda, it's a Medhya herb, a direct brain tonic. Ancient scholars used it to memorize thousands of Sanskrit verses. Imagine what it could do for your clarity. In a world drowning in ADHD and brain fog, maybe the answer isn't a pill, but a 5,000-year-old plant. Herb number 6, moringa. Scientists call it the miracle tree. The UN uses it to fight malnutrition worldwide. NASA studied it for space. Moringa has 2x the protein of yogurt, 7x the vitamin C of oranges, and 25x the iron of spinach. It's nutritional dynamite. In Ayurveda, it's a tridoshic herb, meaning it balances all 3 body types. Every single person benefits. Fuel your body like a machine. Herb number 5, cilantro. This one is serious. Right now, your body may be storing heavy metals like mercury and lead. Cilantro contains compounds that literally bind to heavy metals and escort them out of your body. It's a natural chelation agent. In Ayurveda, it's a cooling pitta herb. It cools inflammation, calms the liver, and purifies the blood. Your brain will thank you. Herb number 4, mint. Take a breath. Mint is telling your nervous system to chill. It's a physiological cooling effect. For pitta types who run hot and feel pressure, mint is your medicine. It soothes inflammation and resets your mental state instantly. Herb number 3, neem. In India, they call it the village pharmacy. For thousands of years, families used it to kill bacteria. Neem purifies the blood. It fights fungal infections and clears chronic skin from the inside. It's bitter, but that bitterness is medicine. Start with neem capsules. Your skin will literally glow within weeks. It heals you from the inside out. Herb number 2, ashwagandha. Cortisol is the stress hormone destroying you. It kills sleep, increases belly fat, and tanks your energy. Ashwagandha doesn't just reduce stress. It changes your body's response. Clinical trials show it reduces cortisol by 27% in 60 days. In Ayurveda, it's called rasayana. Rejuvenating your entire being, body, mind, spirit, your whole life upgraded. And number 1, Tulsi, holy basil. In Sanskrit, Tulsi means the incomparable one. It is considered sacred, a living medicine. Tulsi adapts. It protects, it heals, it calms. If you do one thing, grow a Tulsi plant. It could change your health forever. Here's what I want you to really hear. These aren't trends. These are medicines that kept entire civilizations alive for thousands of years. Nature knew first. Healing doesn't happen in a hospital. It starts right here, in your kitchen, in your garden, in your hands. Smash that like button. Comment which herb you're starting with. Subscribe for more ancient wisdom. Nature already left everything you need. See you next week.